let's talk about how to replace the coil on your HR600. This might be the shortest video we do. It's pretty easy. Flip your HR600 over. You're going to see there's two tabs right here where that coil is. You press them together, you're going to hear it make a little pop, and that's going to let it come out. You just can tip it and it just comes right out. It's that easy. You could set that one off to the side, grab your new coil. The biggest thing I would say is be very careful not to touch the coil itself. You don't want to get your fingerprints on there. The oil from your fingers can really compromise the integrity of that coil. Just hold it by the side. You'll see that there's actually little arrows on the coil that indicate that it's getting put in the correct way. If you try to put it in upside down, the coil is keyed, so you just can't put it in. But literally just set it in there. You can either press it down, you'll hear it make a snap, or if you pinch those tabs, you want to put it in very quietly, say you're actually out hunting, just press them together, push it down. That's all you have to do. Turn the Ozonics back on, and you're right back at it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 979-285-2401 or check it out at ozonicshunting.com.